So prepare 4 kg of flour. So for every 1 kg of flour, make sure you're going to use the 30 grams of tender mix. The 4 grams or 4 kilogram of flour. So I'm going to use this regular breader. So make sure as 1 kg, that will be good for 30 grams of regular breading mix. Okay, so this one is our 20 grams of breading mix. So we will mix the flour. You have to make sure you mix it properly. Then you scoop. So you have to make it your hands like this. And then you fold. Then fold. Okay, so we're going to use the tender strips. This one is already marinated. This one comes from the factory already once you receive it. So we're going to use now the 10 pieces strips. So first, you have to do the light coating or folding. Since it's only first coat. After you make the first coat, use the skim. Isa-isahin ko sa'yo.
Seesaw, di ba?
And then you do that. You have to do the seesaw motion. Okay? And then you place it to the. Oops. Alright, right? 1, 2, 3. Okay?
Drain it.
After 3, you just need to count 3. You have to drain it properly. And then you transfer to the flour. So we'll do now the final coating. Sige. Okay. Alright, so you have to drop.
Okay.
Okay, set timer, good for 6 minutes. Okay, set. Wait. Okay.
Okay, kunin mo.
Then you remove.
Second. It should be like that, okay?
May area na lang sa'yo. Okay, make sure the chicken is not too much flaky. And set timer good for 30 minutes. Okay.
Bro.